Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope all of you are fine. And this is our 24th lecture of maths. Today our topic will be about page 100 and 101. Rounding off with decimals. In our midterm on page 22, we done rounding off the numbers only. But in these two pages, we rounding off the numbers but with decimal place. This is your review of definition of rounding off. Rounding off is the useful shortcut. It helps us give approximate answer when exact answer are not needed. Rounding off is useful when we measure, tell the time, go shopping, or do sums in our head. It helps us make quick guesses or give approximate answer, but we do not round to when we need to be very exact and accurate answer. It means that when we need an exact or accurate answer, so we no need to round off the number. But if we want to find our answers or to find our solution very quickly, for this we round off the numbers and we find our answer quickly in our head. Page number 100 and 101. Page number 100, there are 3 questions and all questions are included in our scheme. Question number 1 of page 100 is round off to 1 decimal place. And students, I think that you remember this. Halfway numbers are rounded upwards. Question number 1, round off to 1 decimal place. Part 1 is 7.05. When we round off the number on 1 decimal place, we always check the number which lies on the hundreds place. According to that number, we will change or we round upward or downward the number which lies on the tens place. The first part is 7.05. According to the rule, we check the hundred place. 5 lies on the hundredth place and 5 is halfway number. It means that we upward the number 0 and 7.05 will become 7.10. 0 change into 1 because 100 place 5 is there and 5 is halfway number, so we change 0 into 1. 0 changed into 1 because we round off it to upwards. Part B, 15.43. Now we see the value which lies on the hundreds place. This is 3. 3 is less than 5. It means that there is no change in our answer. We cannot round off 4 upward. The number will be same. 15.4 will be our answer. Next 26.25. Again we check the number on the hundreds place. This is 5. So we can change 2 upward and this become 26.3 because 5 is half a number. If your number is 5 or greater than 5, then you can change the previous number. If the number is less than 5, it means that the number will be unchanged. In part D, 10.15, again on the hundreds place, 5 is there, so clearly we will round off 1 upwards and 1 become 2. We increase 1 here. Our answer will become 10.2. You also can write 10.20 or 26.30 or 15.40. But because we only round off one number, so we write 10.2. E part is 27.07, and again we see that 7 is on the hundreds place, so 0 will be increased by 1 and 27.07 will become 27.1. The last part of this question is 40.03. The hundreds place is 3 and 3 is not a half a number, it is less than 5. No need to become any change, no need to change in 0, it will be 40.0 because 3 is less than 5, so we cannot change 0 in 1. The answer will be 40.0. Now question number 2, rewrite vertically and solve. Then round off your answer to the nearest whole number. Questions are given. There are A to E parts. All the parts are given to you in the horizontal form. First, you convert them into vertically. After adding or subtracting, finding the answer, you will round off the answer into the whole number. Into the whole number mean after the decimal we check whether the number on the tens place is 5 or greater than 5 or less than 5. If the number on the tens place is less than 5, then the whole number will be unchanged. Only we remove the decimal part. If the number is equal to 5 on the tens place, then the whole number will increase by 1. And the same position if the decimal on the tens place, if the number on the tens place after the decimal is greater than 5, then the same rule, the whole number will be increased by 1. Now come to the question. Part A is 37.4 plus 16.8. We add 37.4 and 16.8. After adding them, the answer is 54.2, and you see that the number which on the tens place is 2 and 2 is less than 5. It means that only we remove the decimal and the whole number will be unchanged. Before the decimal part is called the whole number, and after the decimal part is called the fractional number or fractional part. Always remember, because when we remove the decimal we put 10 or 100 in the denominator. So that's why after the decimal portion is called the fractional part and before the decimal numbers are called whole number. So nearest whole number is 54 and this is our required answer. Come to the part B. There are three numbers, three terms, 164.4, 23.8 and 162.9. When we add these three, our answer becomes 329.684. 329.684. When you add these three terms, the answer is 329.684. Now concentrate only the number which lies on the tenths position. Tenths. After the decimal there is 6 and you know that 6 is greater than 5. So definitely the whole number will increase by 1 and 329 will change into 330 because after the decimal there is 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So we change the whole number 329 into 330. The C part of this question is 1003.5 minus 869.9. Now we have subtraction over there. When we subtract these two numbers, 5 minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 5, so we take carry from 3. 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 is left there. We borrow 1 from 0, but 0 have nothing. No number is there. Before this, no number. 1, we make it 10, then again we take it 10. We take 1 from 10. 13 minus 9 is 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 3 because we already take 2 from 1 carry from 3. So that's why 2 will be left here. 12 minus 9 is 3. Again 9 is left here. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then 9 minus 8 is 133.6. You already know that how you subtract the number 1003.5 minus 869.9. After subtracting them 133.6, and on the tens place 6 is there, it means that the whole number 133 will increase by 1 and the answer become 134. Part D, again there are three terms: 142.9, 238.6 and 14.7. When we add them, 396.2. But on the tenth place there is 2. It means that no change will become in the whole number because 2 is less than 5. Only we remove the decimal part. 396 will be our required answer. The last part of this question is 2061.4 minus 1453.8. Again there is a negative number. We subtract, the negative question is there, we subtract these two, and after the subtracting our answer is 607.6. Again 6 is greater than 5, and what will happen? The whole number will increase by 1. 7 will be changed into 8. 608 will be our required answer. And these questions are very easy. Only you check the number on the tens place. If the number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, you will change the whole number. Otherwise, the whole number will be unchanged. Only you remove the decimal in your answer. Only you write the whole number. Question 3 is your homework, and only you measure the line which are given, which are already drawn in the question. You will measure the line, and taking the measurement you will round off the answer. Yes, now come to page 101. This is rounding off with decimal, but in these questions we round off over answer till 2 decimal places. In the previous we only round off till 1 decimal place, but here we change to 2 decimal places. We round off the number till 2 decimal places. There are 3 questions, but only question number 1 and 2 is included in your scheme, and the procedure is same. Round off to 2 decimal places. When we are doing the question of page 100, round off to 1 decimal place, we check the number which lies on the hundreds place. And now for the two decimal places, we check the number which lies on thousandths place, because now we are rounding off to two decimal places. For this, we check the number which lies on the thousandths place, and according to that number, we round off our answer. 6.132. 2 is on the hundredths place, sorry, thousandths place, and it means that we cannot change the number. What is the reason? Because 2 is less than 5. So 3, which lies on the hundredths place, there is no change over there. 6.13 will be our required answer. Because on the thousandths place 2 is there and 2 is less than 5. Come to part B. 9 lies on the thousandths place. 9 is on the thousandths place and 9 is greater than 1. So sorry, greater than, in part D, 14.109. 9 is on the hundredths place. According to this, we will change 0 into 1, because 9 is greater than 5. That's why 0 will increase by 1. 14.109 will be changed into 14.11. C part is 2.494. 4 is on the thousandths place and 4 is less than 5. So definitely there is no change, no round of the number upwards. The number will be unchanged. 2.49 will be the required answer. Come to the part D, 148.003. 3 is again on the hundreds, thousands position, and 3 is less than 5. Again, no changes in our number, 148.00, because we cannot increase the number by 1. On the thousands place, 3 is there and 3 is less than 5. Part E, 8.027. 7 is greater than 5. The position of 7 is on the thousands place and 7 is greater than 5. So according to the rule, we change 2 into 3. We give 1 increase in 2 and the number become 8.03. The same condition in part F. Again 7 is on the thousands place. So we increase the number by 1. 1792.01. The last 0 change into 1 because 7 is greater than 5. Question 1 is completed here. Now we come to question 2. Rewrite vertically and solve the same that we have done question 2 on page 100. Only the change is round off your answer to two decimal places. A to E parts are included. All the parts are given in horizontal. We convert into vertically and then we add. According to the question, we add or subtract the numbers. Part A is 10.049 plus 3.117 plus 8.632. We add these three terms and after adding 21.798. Again, you will check your um, number on thousands place, which is 21.798. 8 is greater than 5. It means we give 1 increase in 9 or 79, this become 80, because when you add 1 in 9, it will become 79 will be changed into 80. 8 is on the thousands place and 8 is greater than 5. So the previous number will be increased by 1, and when we add 1 in 79, this will become 80. Our answer is 21.80. Part B. Part B is 28.032 minus 14.595. We subtract the number. The answer is 13.437. Again, on the thousands place 7 is there, and 7 is greater than 5. So we give 1 increase in the previous number, which is 43, and this become 44. 43 will be changed into 44, and our answer will be 13.44. There is no change in the whole number, because in the question they only mention that round off our answer to two decimal places. On page 100, our answer nearest whole number. So that's why we remove the decimal in that question, and here only we change the position of the hundreds place number. Yes, part C. Again, three terms are given, and this is the answer of plus 94.128 plus 13.3 plus 6.497. After adding these numbers, we see that our answer is 113.925. Again, on the thousands place, there is 5. So according to the rule, what will we do? We gave 1 increase in the previous number. The previous number is 2, and 2 will be changed into 3. Answer is 113.93. Instead of 92, we write there 93. Part D. 72.064 minus 18.967. After the subtraction, because students, you know that how to add the number and how to subtract the number, because from, I think from class 1 or kgs you are adding and subtracting the number. So this is not new for you, that how you can add the number or subtract the number. That's why I'm only explaining you that how you will round off the numbers. Is it clear to you? Okay, 72.064 minus 18.967. After subtracting 53.097, 7 is on the thousands place. It means that we give 1 increase in 0.09. When we add 1 in 9, it will become 10. After rounding off, 53.10 is our required answer. The last part of this page is this question, and our lecture is E. This is the minus question, 52.135 minus 29.772. After subtracting 22.363. 3 is on the thousands place. It means that we cannot give increase any 1 in the previous number. The number will be unchanged. 36 will be same. Answer become 22.36. Yes, students, here we complete page 101. Your homework is page number 100, question number 3. And also you have an assignment of page number 93, question number 4. There are A to E parts in question 4. Because you have a weekend, you can do this easily. If you have any problem, you can discuss with me in Zoom meeting. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.